don't want peace. I want problems, always.
You've probably heard some legendary sounds, laughs, or viral memes all over the internet. They flooded social media so much that they became like national anthems under every video. In today's video, we'll show you the original clips behind those legendary sounds and the real moments they came from. If you're ready, let's go. A laughter so powerful it became the official soundtrack for every impossible to explain situation.
Oh no.
Here comes the most chaotic African scream ever. Atassa.
Hey! Atassa! 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 Atassa!
Today, whenever something weird happens, everyone repeats it.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Le monde part en couille. Non. J'ai du mal à imaginer ces trucs-là.
Those young men didn't know they were creating an eternal African anthem. The legendary Amoyo Mwe, a choral performance so emotional it shook the whole continent. The Ghanaian presenter with the most iconic smile.
God have mercy upon us.
When President Magufuli laughed, the whole continent laughed with him. A presidential laugh so contagious, it became the official soundtrack of African absurdity.
Look at my face, like I could have killed a lot of people.
Here's the real man behind the legendary line. He was testifying with pure emotion.
Before people would come here, I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you, look at my face, like I could have killed a lot of people.
And this one, the master of Go and Ask Your Grandfather.
Before we were counting, they disconnected all the power. You were there. Why are you asking me this quick, simple question?
Thank you.
Go and ask your grandfather.
A sound that crossed borders, generations, and even alarm clocks.
Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala omwana omuta akwata byonna nabikwata Kasongo ye Kasongo mbona wewe Mumbali nanga I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Two friends, one camera, one legendary laugh. They had no idea they were inventing the universal language of laughter, understood by everyone, everywhere.
Throw a couple bands in this bitch, yeah. Throw a couple bands in this bitch, yeah.
It all started here. He shouted, "Jesus is Lord," then remixed it into a hit song.
She's pregnant, Dad. She's what? She's pregnant. Funke! Funke! She's 14. 14! Jesus is Lord! Hey! Jesus! You know what I need to tell you? You will end up in McDonald's.
He didn't speak perfect English, but he spoke the language of emotion.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Matembe! Photo, not be juju be that.
Behold the true master of African punchlines. He gave the world.
One of my cousins like that. His name is Sam David West. This man. So what did he go to prison? Rich watch and cup of tea. Oh, funny people. Oh, Mumu know too much. Oh, Mumu know too much. Sam David West, she daddy. You went to prison for wristwatch and cup of tea. 70 years old man. Oh. 70 years old man. But this ain't Charlie Boy say Mumu don't too much. Charlie Boy now Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Here's Patience Jonathan, former First Lady of Nigeria. Officially, she was speaking about the missing Chibok girls. But unofficially, she created the Bible of African memes.
Continue. No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are doing. Okay? Will you keep quiet? Chai. Chai. There is God. Oh. There is God. Oh. The blood we are sharing, there is God. Oh. There is God. Oh. There is God. Oh. There is God. Oh.
He unleashed the most infectious laugh of the century.
Ask everybody here. We can tell you. It's my laughing. It's natural. God is gifted of God. Yeah.
You call this laughing what? What is the name?
It's money laughing, but I don't have money.
At first, it was just a reaction. Now it's the official soundtrack for every shocking moment on the web.
Hey, bro. What?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow!
Here's the real pastor behind Hallelujah.
Hallelujah! Okay.
Okay, CV is an abbreviation. What's the complete word?
C
Yeah.
V
Yeah.
certificate. You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
The only one who turned a diplomatic conference into a comedy show. His "What Are You Saying?" is now history.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Are you single?
And finally, the wise elder behind the sacred phrase,
that you don't have a wife so that I can come and act as well.
That is a miracle. I can't accept that. Can it happen?
I can be a wife.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
No. So beautiful like that. Without someone connecting. You are deceiving.
This is the end of the video. Now you know where all those legendary sounds came from. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.